Hi, my name is Johannes. I'm 9 years old. My project name is Ball Shooter. Static parts are the beams, pegs, the dynamic parts are wheels and axles. I used it engineering to make a robot control. This is how it works. This is backwards, and this is right, and this is left, and this is how it shoots. I used the touch sensor block, and I used the touch sensor and move blocks and loops. Thank you.
Okay, so can your robot go forwards?
Yes, it could. Look. And this is how it goes backwards. I mean, that's how it shoots. And now this is how it goes backwards.
So how did you get it to go forwards?
I used it on touch sensors. And this is how it goes forward. I mean, this is how it goes forward, and this is how it goes backwards.
How long did it take you to build?
It took me 5 days to build.
Did you like building or programming better?
I liked it building.
Building?
Yeah.
Awesome. Did you have fun with this project?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Finally.